Lightweight and versatile, the Seat Assist instantly transforms almost any armchair or sofa in your home into a helpful mobility aid. For yourself or for someone you love, no matter your age, you'll appreciate the independence, comfort, and adaptability this safe and gentle portable device offers. With nothing to plug in, the Seat Assist is easy to use. Simply set the cushion to your weight and it's ready. When it's time to go, release the lifting arm, fold the seat, and grab the built-in handle. Now it's ready to take wherever you go, a restaurant, church, or to visit friends and relatives.
One of the benefits of this product, it's portable, and the nice thing is that you don't have to have a lot of room to use it.
For optimal use, the Seat Assist is recommended for people weighing 340 pounds or less. The Seat Assist can lift up to 70% of your weight. This allows your muscles to stay strong and enables the Seat Assist to help you a little or a lot, adapting to your needs and abilities from day to day. Spouses and caregivers benefit too, since they will no longer be risking injury to themselves as they try to help. Designed for comfort and safety, the Seat Assist features the patented level lift technology, a flexible seat designed to move up and down on a level plane.
You know, my job is just to educate people, so when they make the decision for themselves, at least it's an informed decision.
Ask your healthcare professional how this lifting aid can help you achieve a better quality of life. Whether it's a temporary condition or for use on a day-to-day basis, the innovative Seat Assist will help keep you, or someone you love, active and independent. It's a great tool in the evolution of mobility.
Instead of using a lot of strength and energy and take maybe 4 or 5 tries to stand up on your own, and then you're almost too exhausted to walk, if you have an apparatus like this, you're up like that, and then you conserve your energy for doing the things you actually want to do.